Mahama ja Jimmy na man light ni so no Jimmy kuna do. Wo so dey na do tip bo fam. Wo ya boa. Wo ye nantwie all because of religion. Fa kwase akọ.
Jonas, a student, young don up back to the internet. Ebusi about back no. Said ye was abedi di Mahama tem. No wake kana dwan kyerɛ nkramofo. Na was sending message to Ghana celebrities na ebusi enyasem kuma. Aha Penyah block media. Message us any DM. Obe like video no other roma. Obe subscribe button so. Na be click the notification icon for latest updates. Aba kyerɛ wadwen e dey mama e wo comment section. Oba so no wa share video na ma unia so enya bi ahwe. Eziam no nyina anim no for like 4 to 5 months now or go break or go offline. According to him, he traveled to South Africa for some business transaction, business supervision. There's an agreement be air course one or supervise into 2 years. Also, Bekaya somewhere 2023 anymore. Young Don ebedi din kremofo atem. Emma because of that crying kremofo no you was able free mom can say they will locate him and beat him. Just say almost any a whole lot of threats. Abi ni nyina chi no omo ya hu se bibia sia chi nkronfo no omo anko na hwe na young do ever back to the internet no ana afi whatsapp tiesin nkronfo so na mo nkronfo mo na mo se den mo na mesi medidi matem et mo bebo me ene de ebe so esa wo mo
straight yami so bia so abeti no kra. We thank God. Young Don can never be hide. Young Don can never, like Young Don. I have come to stay in my Ghanaian community, in my Ghanaian society, in my Ghanaian. Bibia, me forever. I will forever remain Young Don till I die. So my great, my next 1,000 generations, Young Don will still be Young Don. Nobody can defeat me. Nobody. Obiani who bet me. And I'm one of my Jimmy now. Say, maybe I may go back. Maybe bash Muslims for or my Jimmy no and Kremufo. Of course, some men about America for you know. And I'm one of my Jimmy now. Say, and I'm Muslim. Be take Obiani about attack me. Huh? Some men about America for you know. I was not punishment in heat and I know then I'm so. What do you? Omunya Jimmy, you know, dear, most of Munya Jimmy, and Munya said there be a minimum table bob on, and my Jimmy, sir, and then I make catch on with Munya Jimmy. No, I was young don, young Tiasia, so I see him thinking, I said, dear table bob from Munya Jimmy, straight up, white to me, also an upon Yadi. Also was white to me and second on my back, also I don't do table bob from we are boa, we and cheer all because of religion. Fauquasiaco. From Quasia Pebe Bitna Udu Tibu from Wagin Yaduma. At the end, there be another Tibu from Pine, what Simias are doing, Zongo swinging a boiler, Zongo a boiler. What Simias are doing, there be other Tibu from Guramudio Tipim from saying, Emprenum, 5 times, and what? 5 times a day or what? And I say, oh, my Simias said, nay. Was also learning any, Ghana and so no more sanon, and a patron and so no more sanon, and one had ya Sakina to Uramira. Or mother who are much check, no much check, or much crazy. Because in so no mother who are much a boil and so a poison, normally a who are much. Abra, what is Zongo, all bread, Zongo. Development bien hokan kana chema bia a chance when you chum zongo hono so a Jimmy and sad you obenya time I didn't travel from gura omo no me muslim kana minim was their problem man utimi utibo from every day gura utibo from what Jimmy and sad you compare you my say oh I did get them yakoka yeso no has I don't know what Jimmy and say kana my sir passport is not for you. Go for a passport never be sure. Someone also the one who passport. I know I go for people. I got you as a Kuroma one American passport. But more crack as a joke on up or down. Nobody will be anywhere or there. An American passport more Kuroma a joke. And to your Muslim, we are Muslim. What you have to think, what you have to plan, what you have to look for is first is a Juma.
Just young don dey also fund from fund nyehwe. Obi odiri mama butu from there. In fact, on fan nyehwe. On fa san kofro nyehwe. Na nka semo no ana obetisi Ghana celebrities. Na ochim say Ghana celebrities more influence on the people. Just say your influence on the government and high. Mo bi kura timi anya appointment from the government. I was saying celebrities multiple platforms and more audience and more multiple they calling for positivity. Multiple to make a positive impact on the economy. Monfa emprenya mama ma on my no as most of them platform is munun kwana mudidi.
I was so obia Ghana celebrities no majimi asa no no. I was so obia come together and you didn't quite be fast one penny phone baby aduma. You didn't quite be fast one everything gonna be good, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But bibini wa Jimmy Asade
ense munu kwa ndokwa violence ni beef at the atem kwana celebrities ni bi edom platforms they don't use it for any positivity ense munu kwa na yondon ka santo aso no ana fe batisi Mahama ho o kirem se ne busuafo wo fie atati frefre no yondon Dumsor aba legend dum no ehyiwa badem odakura wontimi na eno ze Mahama me maame mu ofie afrefre the complain mama say obatina akonya so no Dumsor aba oyobi so anka mepewa se ba mepewa se nje so oya de boni amama nka etu John abedi Mahama tempai
and Mahama John Dramani Mahama yes Mahama na aba yeah Mahama can mo politics no December November Mahama kabi me tukwan kwa South Africa yes Mahama na aba Ghana president right now Mahama mabusuafo na frefrem say dundum light no member ba show afa no aba you are new in the system member ba show but Jimmy no so na light no maninya current maninsi so gakra mabusuafo na frem too much Mahama edundum light na dodo Mahama ja Jimmy no Mahama ja Jimmy no na ema light ni so Mahama ja Jimmy na ma light ni so no Jimmy kuna dodo ma light ni so adan wa Jimmy sa una ukwa siyasa so ukwa ya yi ukwa ya kan se ukwa sinkremofo na wo kan wo bi na nkremofo ni Jimmy no osore no pa no ni tipimpim fom so ukwa pa adwuma bia yesu nyansa no Jimmy nku a Christopher kwa do mai omukwa no mai sanne no omai Jimmy che obia onwura mu o Christopher no yesu yakwache bonsam da bia eti abronsam so omai Jimmy asa enne no Christopher no Timedia, I'll forever tell you the truth, and the truth will always set you free. That makes me powerful. I dear mammy powerful, yes, and say, mechanical. Minimum la ye minimum troja, mechanical jow. Open to if I don't care. I don't care, I do not. What bodam? I mean, so be as well as heaven on earth. The same we also cross me to across road because I have my American passport. I mean, so once again in Chamo, my American passport. I have the passport. I have the passport. I mean, to a new so that means so I say, are you for Bano Munsuasa Hano Babuno? That means Susi, or not say, yeah, Juma. Not say, yeah, Juma. I mean, so be I'm doing the paradise. Obviously, Pentecost, Otumfo be ready for me. You have to be ready for me because my banny and my back. We no more media so. You have to be ready for me. I mean, so we have welcome to the paradise. I mean, so be of course. Cast Amunamu Chum, cast your man Temu, Amunamu that be an straight up. I mean, so be as Obabasia name meow. Obabasia Ghana, Kamani, in Aquatranta, Aquatiaso, and some man Scago Toby. I shall for you to Guanam Guramu. Moi. I mean, so be as Abasabiti and cry. Obviously, open your. Obviously, where have you been? Of course, I'm coming to Ghana. Obviously, I just said you are in Ghana. Make us a jeep in Kofano. No, me person me dem na be send me some movie at 10 and 1 second a plano. So I answer na me catch because IGP me more answer. I be also me can jam I'm serious. Me more answer one ko tia kwa na me bo pa me atwa eja to na so dan nim. Me bo pa am ye atwa eja to na so dan nim. Me bo pa am ye atwa eja ato na so dan nim. Because yentimi ne kromfo ntena we as entena ayi. You can say, oh, let me. Yentimi kromfo ntena krom. Let me play the video one more. Namuntie. Kromfo we. I saw it maben wura mu. Kromfo we yo. Hey, nyami so bi aso abasa betin no kre. It's straight up. And I make catch am no. Nti se wagimi na so ya aboa knaman na wo de no kura no ompati a me de mbemu ano patu anwumre me de mbemu ano patu anwumre so wagimi na untie no untimi ntie no kura na wo de no kura no yem chese ya de sa kura ubani aba meka kirawo stop sign soon is one. And say, yeah, you man, hey, me tog you. Hey, the beautiful color of the thing. Yo, it's straight up. I mean, so, Charlie, huh? I mean, so be as about everything and cry. And Casa is straight up. It's straight. If you color, no so funny, I the blue. Heaven dining snakes on the paradise down is CC on paradise down is CC on paradise down is CC on. I mean, so be as about everything. Okay, it's straight up and Casa. Obviously, the Jimmy in a Quasia. Memenya Jumamobia and Timua Jimmy. Maybe America phone, of course. Let me explain this real quick. Maybe America phone and I'm a young prof. I don't know. Your friend be starter. Uber crew for so. By the way, obey you be adwuma because I don't need starting now with the building. So I say. But I'm a young crow for you, mama. Musa. Intinko boys ni be humo ha Ghana for them. So I call you adwuma. No. Mrena America for me adwuma mo be right now. I'm my own boss, and I'll forever. I'll call Jimmy and then I'll call Paco Mechan and Jay. Why then on Jimmy? The Jimmy. Me do say me American passport citizen on to the agro. Me the car ball. Me to me carry new was say. Uncle Bia. Me Ghana citizen. Me okay, of course. Me Ghana citizen. I American citizen. So it's side, man. It's side. Obviously, you make fresh. Minya bro, fuma no every training. Minya come say, me come. Minya bro, fuma ni training. Me say, scan so what me who, scan go me who, huh? $1 million ni su. $1 million ni su. Oh, mami, it's made my shoes. Kake to a biache mo. Let me see. Me has met my shoes. Kake to a biache mo. Let me see, sir. Met my shoes. Kake to a biache mo. I make any more. I mean, come can on them. Me quite met my first kake to a biache mo. Yan say yeah, you my straight up. Yes, I mean so be up. Oh, the we are brony as here. I no crew no. I can't them thought. We have your now here. A 4, a quan about 1, 2, 3, 4. So yan some quan a year, you
Young don dey say on for obi anya hwe on va boga anya swine debi o fom na o ya de pa o ba be praise o ye bone a o say o ba be fire. Chine Jonas a student young don feel they will grow big horns will grow horns in more than because they coming back to the internet kwa obedi di ono one father atem Twini Jonas obey can adwan to Twini Jonas Santana I'm a Jaguar class or someone high five on the first appearance on the internet yondo anabeke can adwan to the for Ghana celebrities any Mahama obetwa chele wadwene comment section aha Penyah blog media